talent alone won't fill your calendar with clients. I have seen amazing designers struggle to get just a single project. You could have the most stunning portfolios in the world and still wonder where your next client is coming from. Meanwhile, others, not the most skilled, but they are fully booked for the months. So, what's the difference? It is not luck, it is not even talent, it is the strategy. Knowing how to position yourself, market your skills, and turn conversations into paid projects. So, in this video, I'm breaking down exactly how I would get clients as a freelance UI UX designer, even if I was starting completely from scratch. The truth is, in the modern era, clients don't hire the most talented designers. They hire the one who shows them why you are worth it. The first thing that I would do to get good clients is to shift my mindset. I would stop selling my designs and start solving problems. This is usually one of the biggest shifts that most freelancers never make. You are not selling pretty screens or designs. You are providing them solutions. Clients don't care about your dribble shots or Behance photo guide. They care about one thing. Can you make my product more usable, more profitable, or more loved? The moment you stop saying, I design interfaces, and start saying, I help SaaS startup improve onboarding flow to reduce churn, you go from commodity to specialist. And specialists get paid more, faster, and more often. The second thing you should do is to design portfolio that attracts clients' attention, not just impress. Most designers create portfolios that show off instead of portfolios that convert. Here is the difference. A show-off portfolio says, look at what I designed. And a client-attracting portfolio says, here's the problem and here's how I solved it and here's what the impact it built. For example, you redesigned a fitness app dashboard. You provided user engagement that increased by 30%. Number, process, clarity. That is what clients are looking for. Don't wait for paid projects to make case studies. Redesign exciting apps or create a hypothetical project. You are not faking it, but you are demonstrating your thinking and how you solve problems. The next thing you can do is go where your clients already are. Most often, freelancers make this mistake. They hang out where other designers are and not where the actually clients are present. Clients don't scroll through Dribbble or Behance to hire freelancers. They go to LinkedIn, Indie Hackers, Product Hunt, Upwork, Freelancer, and more. For example, on LinkedIn, you can position yourself as a UX problem solver. Post once a week, share redesign breakdowns, before and after screens, or simple UX lessons. Apart from this, on Upwork, you should stop applying on random gigs. Instead, write custom proposals. For example, I noticed your website's checkout flow has 3 extra steps. I can help reduce that friction. And that's how you show initiative and not desperation. To get more clients, leverage micro projects and audits. Here's a little known strategy that works insanely well. Offer UX audits instead of full redesigns to the clients. Why? Because clients hesitate to commit big budget upfronts. But a $100-$200 UX audit feels safe. It gets you in the door. You review their site, highlight usability issues, and suggest improvements. Most times they'll say, "Can you fix this for us?" And boom, the project is secured. This is a small start, but it delivers massive values. and also builds trust from the client. Besides this, you should also focus on building authority. In freelancing, clients chased authority. The most visible your expertise, the easier it gets. So here's what you can do. Post a mini UX breakdowns on LinkedIn or Instagram Reels. Write one Medium article per month about design processes or mistakes. Create a Notion template or a free Figma UI kit and put your name on it. Each piece of this content becomes a silent salesperson for your brand. You don't need a huge following, you just need the right people to see you consistently show up. Another important thing is to network smart and not the hard way. Networking doesn't mean blasting people with "hey, got work" messages. Real networking is about starting conversation that actually matters. Comment thoughtfully on a founder's post, join some design communities and share your insights, offer some valuable information or insight before you provide a pitch. One smart comment can spark a DM, and that DM can turn into a client call. It could turn you into next $2,000 project or even more. So in short, quality beats quantity. A few meaningful messages or connections will take you farther than hundreds of random messages. Getting clients as UI UX freelancer is not about luck. It's about setting a system and creating a strategy. Understand humans, position yourself as a problem solver, and create visible proof of your skills. Start small and deliver value and keep repeating. Because in the end, clients don't hire the best designers. They hire the one who understands their problems and can help them solve it. So this was your freelance blueprint for getting clients as UI UX designer. For more such updates and strategies, stay tuned to Coders Column Design Studio. This is Dolly Solanki signing off.